Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to add the Claude usage tracker extension to Claude.ai. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Open a new tab, click the three dots in the top right corner, and go to Extensions. You'll see two options, Chrome Web Store and Manage Extensions. Click on Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Claude Usage Tracker and open the extension from the search results. Now click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension to install it. Once it's installed, click the extensions icon in the Chrome toolbar and pin the Claude Usage Tracker extension so it's always visible. Next, open a new tab and go to Claude.ai. You should now see your token usage indicator near the plus button. If you don't see it immediately, simply refresh the page or send a message in any chat. The tracker should appear. You can also click the pinned Claude Usage Tracker extension to view your detailed usage statistics. As you can see, it displays your current usage and other helpful information. And that's it. You've successfully installed and set up the Claude Usage Tracker. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.